A bucket of success, KFC's global reach. Walk down a bustling street in Tokyo, find yourself in a crowded market in Marrakesh. What do these places have in common? You're likely to find a familiar face. Colonel Sanders. His smiling visage, framed by a goatee and that iconic white suit, sits atop KFC restaurants worldwide. KFC, short for Kentucky Fried Chicken, is more than just fast food. It's a global phenomenon. Millions around the world bite into those crispy, crunchy pieces of chicken every day. How did a simple recipe born in a roadside restaurant conquer the world's taste buds? Let's uncover the recipe for KFC's enduring success. KFC's story is one of perseverance, innovation, and of course, delicious fried chicken. From its humble beginnings to its current position as a global giant, KFC's journey is an inspiring tale. It teaches us that a simple idea, when combined with passion and hard work, can truly take flight. So next time you see that red and white bucket, take a moment to appreciate the incredible story behind it. It's a story that began with a single man and a dream. Before the buckets, before the global empire, there was Harland Sanders, a man better known to the world as Colonel Sanders. Born in 1890, Sanders lived a life full of twists and turns. He wore many hats: a farmer, a steam engine stoker, even a firefighter. Cooking, however, became his true calling. In the 1930s, Sanders began serving his fried chicken to hungry travelers at his roadside restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky. Little did he know, this simple act would change his life and the culinary landscape forever. Sanders' fried chicken wasn't just good, it was exceptional. He perfected a secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices, a closely guarded secret to this day. Word of his delicious chicken spread like wildfire. People traveled from far and wide to experience the crispy, juicy goodness for themselves. Sanders' restaurant flourished, but fate had other plans. A new highway bypassed Corbin, diverting traffic and customers away from Sanders' restaurant. At the age of 65, when most people think about retirement, Sanders found himself starting over. But he wasn't ready to hang up his apron just yet. Armed with his secret recipe and unwavering determination, Sanders hit the road. He traveled across America, his car packed with pressure cookers and spices, offering his fried chicken to restaurant owners. He proposed a simple deal. For every piece of chicken they sold using his recipe, he would receive a nickel. This marked the beginning of the KFC franchise model. In 1952, Pete Harmon, a restaurant owner in Salt Lake City, Utah, became Sanders' first franchisee. Harmon believed in Sanders' vision, and together, they opened the first Kentucky Fried Chicken restaurant. The response was nothing short of phenomenal. People lined up around the block, eager to get a taste of Sanders' now famous fried chicken. The restaurant's success proved that Sanders' idea was a recipe for greatness, both literally and figuratively. KFC quickly became a household name, with franchises popping up across the United States. Sanders, with his folksy charm and unwavering belief in his product, became the face of the brand. He traveled tirelessly, promoting his chicken and ensuring that each franchise maintained the high standards he had set. The Colonel, as he was affectionately known, became an American icon, synonymous with good food and Southern hospitality. KFC's success wasn't confined to American shores. The Colonel's vision extended far beyond, aiming to bring his finger-licking good chicken to the world. In 1964, the first KFC franchise outside of the United States opened its doors in Canada, marking the beginning of the brand's global domination. From there, KFC embarked on an ambitious expansion plan, taking its unique blend of flavor and Southern hospitality to every corner of the globe. The United Kingdom, Japan, Australia, and countless other countries soon had their own taste of KFC. KFC's international expansion wasn't just about replicating the American experience. The company understood the importance of adapting to local tastes and preferences. While the core menu remained centered around the Colonel's original recipe, KFC introduced region-specific menu items to cater to local palates. From rice dishes in Asia to wraps in Europe, KFC demonstrated a keen understanding of global culinary diversity. This adaptability, combined with strategic marketing and a focus on maintaining the quality and consistency of its product, cemented KFC's position as a true global icon.